Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread simple. First, gather your ingredients: flour, water, yeast, and salt. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 1/4 cups of warm water, 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Ensure your water is between 105 and 115 degrees Fahrenheit to activate the yeast properly. This simple approach ensures a perfect loaf every time. Now, let's get mixing. In a large bowl, whisk together your 3 cups of flour and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then, sprinkle in your 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast. Gradually pour in the 1 1/4 cups of warm water, mixing with a wooden spoon or spatula until all the flour is incorporated. The dough will look shaggy and sticky, which is exactly what you want for this easy recipe. After mixing, turn your dough out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes smoother and more elastic. It doesn't need to be perfectly smooth. Next, lightly oil a clean bowl, place the dough inside, and turn it once to coat. Cover the bowl with plastic wrap or a damp cloth and let it rise in a warm spot for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once your dough has doubled, gently punch it down and shape it into your desired loaf or round. Place it on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake for 25 to 30 minutes or until the crust is golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Let it cool on a wire rack before slicing. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.